Kisii chisemini gobona baibuli banyare ko babako boligwa babe maiso na kweneke bananyali ko babako ena no bulendi boisa ne guchiase abana babo anene chingaki chiskuru janyare ko bachigosie kwa somutimoko omotambe chingaki echi bago kwana nigo ababwatani be sector yechisemi kura soro gongorwa gusibo igo banyare ko bako bolie serikali nyare ko bage ko bwato kachibesa chiria chira chikoba chikwenekia unemero bele ya botambe guchiase chiskuru yanyare ko bage go ikirana chingaki boigo banyare ko bagoteba nige kerengo ekyogie chibesa kigendete ko bagi ko bwatu ko kerege kekigima aseba bulia serikali enyare ko bage komenta bago kwana monegeta seni Ndizi TV nigo bwatani abo igo banyare ko bako bulia serikali enyare ko bage kualiga ni mapema enibo elia ye pension guchiase aboro kiabu banyare ko bako genda somotimoko bwemeremo bunagotomonya umurikyo ito Frida Kerubo.
So wherever you come, I wish you well to continue from where I'm leaving this honor. Very, very happy and satisfied. I'm not complaining and nobody's complaining.
Aya naro aenikigwa ansomo yegabo kumwarigania kogenda nka morokyo manene bweskuru ya mariba DOK Christopher Mausa magigayo bokoleri bwaye ase myaka 35 nebere okwana chinga kyecho nigo bagokera obokoleri bwaye na kumuganiria amaya chinga kyarabenka asikolende babolia oliora bega kwireri bagaliaye okora emirime meikirano ubuna Mausa.
Mwalimu Mausa ambaye amemaliza kazi kwa umri wa kustaafu 60 years. It is not easy to retire.
Igo na bana abagokire kweli agekogara mwalimu wabo o retire o chire, and we are praying that they get a very good principal like Mr. Mausa who is going to take them through like what Mr. Mausa has been doing.
Kolende chinga kiechi aborokigwa bairanirenka ansomotimoko nigo abaiboli baboli gwa kobalenda na kobaigelia chimbwa chingia na kobasira asekelia baraganie boigo abagambi amona batuleti nigo baboli gwa koba maiso elio kweneke buna abana babo mbali gotoka asobosalia
igo abaiboli baboliwe baika banange babae semi babae guidance endelio banyare koba bana boronge batumie likize yege rusebia asengenje nande yo kwegendereria kimasomo babasbi aba chief n'abatuleti nabo babodiwe batware liso diyoge kurigerekia bana bagenderera bayibori banyare kurwa ibintu byonse biganirie basapoti abana biya
serikali nigo yaboligwa korobelia chibesa cha pension kendabu magega yaboro kyakogenda asomotimoko.
I only want to ask the government of Kenya, and I'm repeating this time and again during retirement of our teachers. Let the government prepare the pensions for the retired teachers in advance. Let them not wait for more than 2 years, 3 years before they get that pension. That is being unfair because they were aware that Mr. Mausa, a year ago, they gave him the notice of retirement. So they could have started preparing his retirement, and as he's exiting today, he should be going home with that package of the pension.
Asensemende nige serikali yaboligwa kubwatuka chibesa gocha ase chiskuru linda kwenekia obokoleri obuyam.
In fact, we are very grateful in our Kisii County. Things are going on very well, but I want to watch our government, whereby we have been having a problem of capitation. Now that we have heard that some money is being dispersed, we are very grateful, and we want to watch the government to see to it that they dispatch the money in time, so that the teachers are able to pay all the programs of the school in time.
Nonya nabo nigo abana ba Mausa bagokera obokoleri bwise na kumuganiria amaya chingaki arabe asomutimoko.
For the Kisango, Amangana Maya, Abilitaya Megi,
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.